right, so this is pretty much the largest supercar show that happens in Florida, and probably in the top 5 in the country, competing maybe with California and a few other places. There's something like $750 million of cars that typically show up here. Because it's February, there's a lot of people in town on vacation, so this is about the most crowded that I've ever seen this. But it's Supercar Saturdays, and lately, maybe the last 8 or 9 times, it's been at the Seminole Casino here in Hollywood, Florida. So they arrange the cars by category, and I'll just give you a basic walkthrough. We're kind of in the German section. Here's Audi and Porsche. You notice a lot of these are heavily modified, some of them are stock. Bikes show up to this too. And then at the end of this event, it's kind of wild listening to everyone revving their engines at the same time. It's pretty ear-piercing. I'm gonna make my way over to this section that is classic cars. There's so many Cobras, there's a whole Cobra section even. Here's the Corvette section. Wow, get a load of this truck that just came in. I'll wind my way over there to show you that. More Corvettes. So I can see from here that this truck has super swampers on it, like a gold wrap probably, and a massive lift. Viper in the foreground. Yeah, so the headlights on this are above my head. Okay, and then on to the older BMW section. Mustangs, and I always like vintage American section, which and classics, which is over here. Oh wow, they got 3 jacked up Fords in the background there. Look at the little dogs for scale. "12-cylinder Lamborghinis in the background doing dueling banjos, Mach 1 Mustangs. Wow, look at that Impala. Fiat, no, Citroen? Maybe that's a Renault. Oh, and it's from Colombia. Oh yeah, it's a Renault 4. Here's the guy that attends the show every month. Like that, does his filming. I forget what his channel is. If you know it, you can put it in the comments. All right, we're about 50 or 60% of the way done with this. There's a lot to see. Supra section, AMG Benz, beautiful Genesis G70 coming up, 718 Boxster. I couldn't believe she's done and overtime. GT3 and Turbo S. And a pizza delivery car that could do a 9, some donks.
Niggas think I might be playing this shit, but I ain't joking.
Porsche 930. Marge Simpson's pretzel wagon. A couple of Urus coming up. The plural for Urus is Uri. MPH Club, they're great. If you're down in South Florida and you want to rent an exotic car, you can use them. Not a sponsored post, but it's a cool company. You can see that there's an incredible amount of people filming the cars. Some of them are just doing it amateur level as a hobby. Others are influencers. We all hate that term, but so we're all competing, sharing the same content, but the good thing is we're really not, because everybody is into something different and describes it a little bit differently. Everyone has their thing at this show. I tend to like the German stuff, and as you know, the manual transmissions. The guy's got the leather driving gloves for his California. Some SF90 Ferraris. And we'll punctuate the video with the McLaren section. Ah, I love this Aventador. All right, put what your favorite car was in the comments, and thanks for watching.